Hey there, RC enthusiasts! Welcome back to RRC Remote Adventures. I'm your host, Michael Rice, and today we have something special for all you off-road racing fans. Get ready to tackle some serious off-road adventures because we're diving into the RC4WD Miller Motorsports 1/10 Pro Rock Racer Ready to Run. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and leave a comment below. We have fresh RC content every week. This isn't your run-of-the-mill RC vehicle. It's officially licensed by Miller Motorsports, a name synonymous with high-octane action and a passion for conquering challenging landscapes. The brains behind this beast are none other than Eric Miller, the owner and driver of Miller Motorsports, and RC4WD, the masters of scale in the world of RC vehicles. Together, they've created an electrifying experience that's set to redefine your RC adventures. So what makes the RC4WD Miller Motorsports 1/10 Pro Rock Racer Ready to Run so special? Let's dive into the details and explore this ready-to-run Mean Machines features. One look at this beauty and you'll notice the precision that's gone into crafting the chassis. It's contoured for excellence and designed to handle a variety of terrains with finesse. Whether you're navigating rocky trails, dirt tracks, or anything in between, this chassis is your trusty companion. The molded Lexan body panels not only add to the aesthetic appeal, but also contribute to the durability of this RC rock racer. They're designed to withstand the occasional bumps and scrapes that come with off-road adventures. It's all about scale details, and the inclusion of a faux fuel cell adds a touch of realism to your rock racing experience. The detailed, crafted-to-scale dashboard, complete with GPS, radio comms, and other features, makes this RC vehicle stand out. Under the hood, you'll find a scale V8 crate engine housing assembly that further enhances the realism of this rock racer. It's not just about the performance, it's about living the experience. Now let's talk about form and function. The functional scale 2-speed transmission and transfer case make sure that the power from the brushless motor is put to good use. You can switch from 2-wheel drive to 4-wheel drive and lock the front and rear differentials to get over a particularly difficult section of the trail. You can trust this rock racer to deliver power where it's needed most, ensuring a smooth and responsive ride. Inside the gearbox, you'll find hardened steel gears and smooth rolling ball bearings. Rock crawling enthusiasts, take note. The Pro Rock Racer comes equipped with 2.2-inch beadlock wheels that provide a firm grip on uneven terrain. No obstacle is too big for these wheels to tackle. The Grappler 2.2-inch scale tires are another testament to this rock racer's versatility. These tires are designed to provide excellent traction whether you're climbing steep inclines or dropping down treacherous descents. To ensure a smooth ride over bumpy terrain, this rock racer is fitted with dual spring front and rear aluminum-bodied shocks. These absorb shocks and bumps to make your driving experience comfortable and more controlled. With a perfect blend of craftsmanship and engineering, the RC4WD Miller Motorsports Pro Rock Racer is ready to tackle any terrain you throw its way. Thanks to the collaboration between Miller Motorsports and RC4WD, you get the best of both worlds, racing expertise and scale realism. Whether you're an experienced rock racer or a newbie looking for an exciting hobby, this Ready to Run is worth your attention. Thanks for tuning in to RRC Remote Adventures. Remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. We have fresh RC content every week, so stay tuned for more exciting RC adventures. Until next time, keep racing and stay adventurous.